Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Blofin, a full guide for 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT securely between these platforms, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any hiccups in the fast-evolving world of crypto. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Blofin. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. You'll need to have USDT in your wallet. If not, buy some or transfer it from another source. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets or Portfolio section and select USDT. Next, head over to Blofin. Log in to your Blofin account and go to the Wallet section. Here, you'll generate a deposit address for USDT. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully, as it's your destination for the transfer. Pro tip: always verify that the address starts with the correct prefix for USDT, like T for Tron or 0x for Ethereum-based networks, depending on what Blofin uses in 2025. Now, back in Coinbase, find the Send or Withdraw option for USDT. Paste the Blofin wallet address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount you want to transfer. Start small if you're new to this to test the waters. You'll also need to confirm any network fees. In 2025, these might be lower due to improved blockchain tech, but they can still add up. Hit Confirm and authenticate the transaction with your Coinbase security settings, like two-factor authentication. Once submitted, you'll get a transaction ID. Keep that handy. The transfer time can vary, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, log back into Blofin and check your wallet balance to ensure the USDT has arrived. If there's any issue, reach out to customer support on either platform. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your USDT from Coinbase to Blofin. Remember, crypto is all about staying safe. Never share your private keys and always use secure connections. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.